So today I am here in the waterfalls of Costa Rica. I'll post in a couple videos for you guys. I try to get a better shot for you for the video, but the waterfalls are so loud you really can't hear the audio all too well, but we're making it happen. So today we're talking about Polkadot. Polkadot today's price is at about $35, $36, and I love the project of Polkadot, right? It is one of the larger cryptos in the space, very well known, and it has a lot of potential for the future. It has a current market cap of $35 billion with a 24-hour trading volume of $7.5 billion. A circulating supply of just under 1 billion and a total supply of just over 1.1 billion. All right, guys, the one thing with Polkadot that is a red flag, right, that if I were investing in any cryptocurrency, I would automatically see this as a red flag, is that it doesn't have a maximum supply. What does that mean? Is that there isn't a set number of the maximum amount of DOT tokens that could ever exist, right? That basically means that it is inflationary, right? Kind of like the US dollar, right? They just keep making more of them. But there is an exception when it comes to this project, right? Like I said, when I'm looking into cryptocurrency projects to invest in, that is a huge red flag for me, but there are exceptions. There are projects that I still invest heavily into, even though they don't have a maximum supply.
All right, guys, so I apologize for the technical difficulties you see. The thing is that obviously you can see that the video was out in nature. There was water and rivers, and things were really slippery. And right before I actually filmed this video, I slipped and I fell and I dropped my microphone in the water. And obviously it stopped working mid-video because at this point is where the audio completely cut out. It just completely went to shit. So anyways, I'm gonna try and do a little bit of a voice over here. Obviously the view of that place and me talking is better than just my office. So anyways, what I was talking about right here at the last minute was Polkadot and the fact that it doesn't have a maximum supply, right? So when a coin doesn't have a maximum supply, that for me is a red flag, like I said. But there is an exception with certain projects, right? Because of the way that their ecosystem is designed, they just need to leave that open, right? Because of staking rewards, because of future incentives, and so on. So in this case, Polkadot is one of those exceptions, and it's one of those coins that I completely look over the fact that it doesn't have a maximum supply, right? There are a lot of coins that I invest into personally that do have an open max supply, but when it comes to investing into new cryptocurrencies, into any coin that I'm completely new to, that is definitely a red flag for the most part. But again, like I said, with Polkadot, it's an exception. All right, so Polkadot is an open source sharding multi-chain protocol, and basically, in English, what that means is that they facilitate the transfer of data and digital assets between blockchains. So they are like Ethereum in the sense that other cryptos can build off of their blockchain. For example, Kusama is one of their top coins that are built off of the off of the Polkadot blockchain. Polkadot also offers staking, and like I said before, staking is very important. Why? Because staking is what offers us the ability to earn a passive income in cryptocurrency, right? You don't want to just have your coins, locked up forever, in a wallet. You want to be earning passive income off of your investments. Any wealthy person will tell you that, right? It is the path to building generational wealth. You want to be earning passive income from your assets, okay? Always keep this in mind. Now I'm talking about the topic of passive income, right? Passive income is so important and so key when it comes to your investments, when it comes to building wealth. Your main focus is that passive income, making income, making money while you sleep, right? So Polkadot does offer passive income, right? And there is a easy way to set it up. You can go onto Kraken on the exchange and just have your Polkadot on there and be earning passive income, right? But there is a huge security concern when it comes to keeping large amounts of your portfolio or any good amount of money for an extended period of time on an exchange, because that is just not how you practice proper security when it comes to your cryptocurrency assets, right? So we don't want to keep it on an exchange. The other option is basically through their own network, right? Through the Polkadot blockchain. But for that, it does take a couple of steps. You do need to be a bit more technically inclined to set that up, but a couple of YouTube videos and you should be able to knock it out relatively easily. If you guys are enjoying the content so far and enjoying this lack of technical, incompetence on my side by chopping the mic in the water, please drop a like on the video. I'd highly appreciate it. And if you want to join my community of like-minded cryptocurrency investors and people that are looking to build generational wealth, achieve that financial freedom through a multitude of investments. And if you're looking for one-on-one cryptocurrency mentorship from me, you can sign up through the Patreon link in the description below. Polkadot is one of the larger coins in the cryptocurrency market, right? It is a top-notch crypto, as I like to say, but something that is very important when it comes to these top-notch cryptos is understanding diversification, right? You don't want to have the majority of your cryptocurrency portfolio into these smaller assets, these smaller coins that have a lot more risk, right, to them, right? They higher risk because they're just not they're not as established as these larger projects like Polkadot. So Polkadot is one of those bigger coins that should be held in your portfolio. Not necessarily bigger in the sense of the amount of USD, right, that you have invested into this coin, but just keeping in mind that this is one of the larger holdings that you should have, right? Because this is a bigger cryptocurrency, okay? When it comes to those that are new to the market, right, these are one of those coins that you definitely want to have in your portfolio, right? Comparable to Chainlink and Cardano, right? These are some of these larger coins in the cryptocurrency space. But like I said, these are coins that you want to have in your portfolio that don't necessarily move too much, up in value nor down in value, right? It's more of a hedge. These smaller cryptocurrencies definitely have a lot more volatility. But with a coin like DOT, you're looking at solid gains over the course of a couple of years. Again, we may see some good returns this year, right, for the remainder of this bull run, but these are one of those coins that are really looking good for the long term, right, for years down the line. Some very explosive price action. The main thing with Polkadot for me is the deep insider information that I've received upon this project. It goes and ties into those that are really behind it all. Not necessarily the founders, a lot deeper than that, but I don't want to get too much into it. I can't get too much into it. Just know that this is going to be a very good project, a very good cryptocurrency, again, for the long term, right? This isn't one that's going to really go away or anything like that. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency, there's going to be a lot of coins that do very well and a lot of coins that are just going to completely go to zero. So you want to be in the ones that are going to obviously be doing very well. All right, so always make sure to do your own research when it comes to investing in crypto, right? Don't just hop into a coin because you see someone on YouTube talking about it. Make sure you know what it is you're getting into before investing into anything that goes for anything in life, right? And if you're looking to buy DOT, it is available on Binance and I think multitude of different cryptocurrency exchanges, but I get mine off of Binance. If you want, I have a Binance link in the description below. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.